Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel. And today we have a cautionary tale for you. If you're landing downwind and you're landing without flaps and you're going too fast and you've got good brakes and good brake pads, be careful how you apply them, because if you apply them too hard, one will lock up, you'll have a bald spot, you'll blow the tire, and you will wind up off the runway. So stay tuned as we discuss this. So we would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content. Now, we're not pointing any fingers here. This was an experienced pilot, just got caught up in the moment, didn't pay attention to every little detail, and a chain of events began to unfold. And we're going to read you from the statement from the pilot. But as you can see here, the airplane was recovered and brought to the hangar. The fairing is repaired, and you would think you'd be able to go to Sporty's and pick up a tire for an airplane, but that's not the case. But anyway, here's what the pilot had to say. Now, he made a couple of misjudgments, and as he says, a chain of events that led to the whole thing. The traffic pattern at Claremont County, which has Sporty's pilot shop, was chaotic with gusty winds, shifting, and people changing runways. As he says, the Swarm was landing 04, but with the winds at 290, 10 gusting to 16, he would have preferred 22, but that would have been difficult with 5 planes in the pattern all heading for 04. So he retracted his flaps on the 45 to downwind and left the pattern to let them sort themselves out. And as you can see, he forgot to put the flaps back down when he re-entered the pattern. He did a normal approach, but when he landed, he was landing flapless with a tailwind, smooth landing, but when he hit the brakes, he popped the tire. Lessons learned. So folks, pay attention when you're flying all the time to every detail. Luckily, nobody was hurt. The repairs were minor, and a new tire is required. So, ladies and gentlemen, there's our cautionary tale for you. We hope you found it all useful and informative. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day flying your Grumman. Forget buying expensive toys for your kittens and cats. We find that just taking the aircraft spruce box and the paper on the tile floor is more than enough amusement for them for hours.